Yeah, another adventure. There's two planes up there. Saw a glimpse of two. Huh. Anyway, yeah, Hawk Mountain Sanctuary. Coming in, this is funny. You'll get a kick out of this. This is really funny. But I I go and pay the $10 to get in. And I'm walking to this area here, and I see a doe, a little deer, a little fawn, whatever. It didn't have any spots on it or nothing, but it was tiny. It was very tiny. Whoa, butterfly. So I got my camera out, went to take a picture. Memory card full. Yeah. So I thought, well, I'll just format it real quick. It ain't going anywhere. I'm not making any noise. So as I'm formatting the memory card, stupid little chipmunks, which are everywhere. I mean, you can't do a turn without seeing a chipmunk. They're everywhere around here. But yeah, a little chipmunk scared it away. But hey, I'll see another one eventually, and I'll get a photograph of it. Eventually. It will happen. Mark my words. It will happen. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go back to take some pictures. See you in a bit.